Hey everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to make this wreath in record time, so stay tuned. We are going to do something real quick today. I just staged my son's house. He is being transferred out of state and his front door needs something. The photographer will be there at 1:30. It is now 11:30, and I want to quick throw something together to be able to put on his front door because typical guy, there's nothing there. So we are going to do our best to quick get something put into this wreath. And what I have here is an old wreath form, and the plants I had in there had kind of gotten a little old, and so the wreath itself was in great shape, so I decided to keep it. So I am just going to do what I need to do here to get this wreath put together and get it over to his house. So we're using everything we have on hand. First thing I did was put in this piece of styrofoam here, and I found some moss, so I'm just going to kind of stuff that down in there so it is filling up that space. All right, let me grab my wire cutters and we are going to I think that's what I'm gonna do here. Okay, I like that. Okay, this is like speed wreath making. Okay, I'm going to take this ribbon and I'm going to put it on here, and this way I can help secure this pot a little bit. Make a pretty good sized bow. I'm going to attach a different ribbon to it if I can find something. So what I did was I made a 3-loop on one side, a 2-loop on the other, went ahead and left the tails uneven. All right. it to the little piece that holds the door open and closed. Okay, I gotta get out of here.